Hi everyone, this is Wendy of Cutie Band Crafts, your Be Happy Ambassador. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this easy and meaningful medal display. A perfect Father's Day gift for runner dads, athlete dads, or anyone with medals worth celebrating.
For this project, I'm using a few simple materials. First is a photo paper for the printed photo, a shadow box frame from Be Happy, mine is 8x10 frame, black Cricut permanent vinyl, wooden knobs for hanging the medals, strong adhesive or glue, transfer tape, a few basic crafting tools, and I also use my Cricut Joy Xtra for cutting. Now let's put everything together. I started by creating my design in Cricut Design Space. Since my shadow box frame measures 8x10 inches on the outside, I measured the inside display area, which is about 7.5 by 9.5 inches. That's the size I used for my design template. Next, I uploaded a photo of Dad running. I thought this fits perfectly with the theme. After resizing the photo to fit my template, I added the quote, "Every finish line has a story." I wanted this to be the focal point, so I chose a bold font that's easy to read. Then I added the phrase, "Loved beyond every mile." This is my favorite part of the design because it transforms the project from a simple metal display into something more personal and meaningful. I adjusted the line spacing here using the slider in the format panel until I was happy with how it looked. I flattened the text at the bottom with the photo to keep them together. To complete the design, I added a few decorative elements to keep everything clean and balanced. Once I was happy with the design, I printed the photo portion of the project. For the photo part with the text at the bottom, I printed it outside Design Space, saved it as PDF file. I did this because it doesn't accommodate my A4 size paper. It's way too big. For the title and decorative elements, I cut them separately using black Cricut permanent vinyl on my Cricut Joy Xtra. I decided to place the vinyl directly on the glass instead of printing everything onto the photo. This creates a beautiful layered effect when viewed from different angles. The vinyl appears to float above the photo, giving the shadow box more depth and dimension. After cutting, I carefully weeded away all the excess vinyl. Before applying the vinyl, I placed the printed photo inside the frame first. This helped me visualize exactly where I wanted the words to sit and make sure I wouldn't cover Dad in the photo. I'm just using a tissue here to clean the glass with some alcohol and wipe it off nicely so that our vinyl will stick properly. I used transfer tape to carefully apply the vinyl onto the glass panel of the shadow box. At this point, the project already looks beautiful, but now it's time to add the functional part, the medal holders. I attached the wooden knobs along the bottom portion of the frame. Take your time with this step and make small adjustments if needed. I advise you use a strong adhesive, if you can, that can support the weight of multiple medals over time. I spaced the knobs evenly so the medals would hang nicely and not overlap too much. Allow the glue to cure completely before adding any medals. And that's it. Now we can hang the medals and display all those hard-earned achievements. I love how this project combines a favorite photo, meaningful words, and treasured medals into one personalized keepsake.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this easy yet meaningful Father's Day project. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to click like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Until then, be crafty, be happy.